First, create a cube and smooth it 2 times. Using EP Curve tool, draw a path for your model. Select the curve and the model. Go to Animation menu, Constraint Motion Paths, and press Attach to Motion Path. Now the object moves along the curve. Select the first frame on the time slider and make a duplicate of the object. Make it a little bigger and delete the lower part. Select the edge and extrude it down. Select the faces, press Remesh and Quadrangulate. Now there are many random faces and the object looks like a blanket. Select the object, go to FX menu, nCloth, and press Create nCloth. It's gonna make the blanket kinda soft and movable by other solid objects. Now select the first object, then go to nCloth again and press Create Passive Collider. Now the sphere and the blanket are interacting, but the blanket doesn't stay attached to the sphere. Go to Attribute Editor and increase thickness value. The speed of the animation is too fast and it's smoothly changing. To fix this, go to the Graph Editor, select all the keys on the curve and press here. After that, the movement speed remains constant. You can also extend the time of the animation just by dragging the last key beyond the last frame on the time slider. When you're satisfied with the speed, go to Windows, Settings, and press Preferences. Find Time Slider and change the number of playback end according to the number of frames in your animation.